Okay guys, today's walk and talk starts outside YUKI Massage, which the two best massages I've ever had have come at this place from two different people, and I've been here 3 times. And the third one was from someone who just gave me one of the best ones. So she was new and she has learned a lot just in the past several weeks. So I wanted to give this place a shout out. I will be having a video on massage, comparing Vietnam massage to Thai massage from what I've learned. So that'll be coming in another video. But today we're leaving Yuki and we're walking to, oh, what is the name of this place? I think it's Q Coffee Roastery, Dalat. I am in Dalat, Vietnam, as I always am. And this place has 4.9 stars on a couple of hundred reviews, so it's about to get another review. And we're just going to turn the camera around here real quick because I got a nice little view going here. I don't know what this is. Wow, what a beautiful tree. So in Yuki, right down that little road there, just give you an idea more of the architecture. Man, I love just kind of sharing the architecture and the layout of this city. Here's one of the little canals that they use. I wouldn't recommend swimming in it, but it carries, this is a mountain town and a lot of water rushes through here when it rains. So those things take care of the job for sure. So we're just gonna go up here. It's gonna be right up here on the right. I've already been a few places today. Yesterday was crazy. I think I went to 5 different places. I balled out yesterday. Isn't this lovely? Huh? Lovely. It's so beautiful. Dalat, Vietnam. City of Eternal Spring. Dalat is the land of 1,000,000 pines. Pine trees, pines. The more I learn, the more my love of this place remains the same. We are one street off from a very busy main road, and it is just as peaceful as you can imagine. I'm not sure who plants or maintains these, if it's the area businesses or the community that lives here. Oh, there it is, Q Coffee Roastery. Just to look back at where we just were. We're going to walk right in here. One thing I'm learning is that when I do a walk and talk, you actually like to go in the place with me and not necessarily have it as a separate video. So Q Coffee Roastery, Dalat, Vietnam since 2020. And they stay open until 4 p.m. So they're not going to be open much longer. Let's see what time it is. 3:18. So I got time to come in here for a minute. Nice little seating area out here. That's cute. Hello, I am taking video. Is it okay? Is there anything upstairs?
Yes.
Okay, I'll go upstairs and then I'll order. Thank you. Very nice. They are a roastery, so I assume that means they roast their own beans. Oh man, what a great place to work here. Got a power outlet down back behind there. Looks like we got one down here too. One right here. Now the music is downstairs, it's not up here. Let's go in here and see. Oh, nice. This looks like very comfortable seating right here. And yeah, that's very nice. And there's a power outlet right here, so yeah, very good place to work. Wow. And again, no music up here. So if you want just no music, this is it right here. It looks like you can have some old school sewing machine. Step right out here and get a nice breeze. Wow, that's great. No seating out here, it's all right. Huh, nice. Yeah, that's pretty nice right there. Okay, so yeah, beautiful place. I hear amazing things about the coffee here. So, I'm probably not going to video that. I can't video every single coffee I have. What do I think? I have a YouTube channel. Oh, this is nice. Another more little seating over here. Beautiful mural. Okay, guys, I chose the room with the comfortable seating and just man, it's a good atmosphere. This is the second place I've been to today just in this area that's got a really good atmosphere. And it's not, fancy. Like some of these places are just fantastic with the greenery and the surroundings and the use of space. This is just not super fancy. It's just super clean, and you're going to get a chance to witness how I feel about this. So here comes this latte. Oh yeah. Now one thing, whenever I was lifting that latte up to my face, the smell was so good. So this is a good latte. They've got something going on. They even label their own sugar packets. So I'm going to pop some sugar in there. Yeah, so I'm going to get a little bit of work done. They close in 30 minutes. This place opens at 6:30 in the morning, I think it said, and it closes at 4 p.m. So a good place to come and spend the day and then you're really close at night. You're really close if you wanted to pack up and move to a neighboring cafe, later in the afternoon. There's plenty of places to choose from. So without further ado, I'm going to drink this up and get some editing done, and maybe I'll get something uploaded in 30 minutes. How about that?